Hi, I'm Barton Seaver. I'm a chef and an author and an evangelist of all things responsible seafood. Now, so many people are trepidatious about cooking seafood at home for a variety of reasons, but let me show you, as a chef, one of the easiest, best, and most often ways that I use to cook seafood in my house, which is, ta-da, the toaster oven. Seriously, folks, it is so easy. And one of the fish that I'm going to be cooking today, this is tilapia. This is a fish that is widely available, sustainably raised by great producers. It's a fish that, quite honestly, has some difficulty with its perception, and frankly, there are some producers that are really leading the way, pushing the entire aquaculture industry forward with their practices, creating a product that's really worth buying. I mean, it's delicious, even as a ceviche, raw. Ooh, I mean, really fabulous fish here that really begins to rewrite the narrative of what tilapia is, both as a product, but also as an ingredient in our cooking. A very simple, healthy, straightforward way to prepare this on a Tuesday night. It's quick, you're rushed. Tilapia fillets, lightly seasoned with salt, and then an old classic New England tradition updated. I'm going to make a crust out of mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, about equal parts there, fresh herbs. I've got dill, I've got some tarragon, but you can use cilantro, parsley, thyme, rosemary, really whatever you've got, just chopped up. And I like to add in just a little bit, dash of an aromatic liquor. So sherry, in this case, just a little bit of Madeira, or you could leave this off completely, not a problem at all. So that gets mixed up until it's just a kind of a runny, thin crust on that. And that gets put over fish, just like that. And then I transfer that to a plate that has just a little bit of olive oil on it. So I should have done that prior to putting that yogurt on, but just a little bit of olive oil on the bottom to prevent from sticking. You throw this on, just mostly covered, and you throw the whole thing right under the broiler, set to high. Now that's going to take about 5 or 6 minutes or so. What's going to happen is that the mayonnaise and the yogurt are going to char into a nice caramelized crust on the outside. It's going to preserve and sort of protect all the moisture and flavor in that fish. The olive oil from the bottom is going to bubble up and slightly saute the bottom. And it's just going to be this beautiful, multi-textured, super flavorful, aromatic, moist, delicious piece of fish that took maybe 7 minutes in total to prepare. 6 minutes in the oven, pull it out, super easy. So now, after just a couple of minutes, about 5-6 minutes in the broiler under high, the yogurt and the mayonnaise have sort of formed into a little bit of a crust. You can hear the sizzle coming off of the pan, that olive oil bubbling up over the fish, and that's it. There's your simple, super straightforward dish. Nice summertime dish. Serve it up with just some tomatoes, some fresh herbs on top, just dressed with a little bit of olive oil. A little tuft of arugula. And check that out. 7 to 8 minutes. You can have that from package to plate in terms of a healthy, delicious, nutritious, fun way to get heart-healthy seafood onto your family's table more often. Delicious, fresh summer flavors and colors. And this is an awesome way to really introduce the narrative of sustainably produced aquaculture seafood to your family, to your neighbors, to your friends, and to support an industry that deserves your support and deserves the opportunity for us to learn from it, to cook from it, and to explore new flavors and tastes. Thanks.